The three stages to manage spermatorrhea and sexual weakness. Before entering the stages, clarify the current condition most men face when spermatorrhea is active. Current situation: thin, watery semen. The natural temperament of the sexual organs becomes disturbed. As a result, they start producing thin, watery, low quality semen that slips out with minor stimulation or even during urination. Weak retention power. The organs lose the strength to hold semen firmly, leading to early release and further weakness. This is the baseline. Management only works when done in a strict fixed sequence. Stage 1: Cooling and calming. Stop leakage. Objective: turn thin, watery semen into thick, stable semen that stays inside instead of leaking. During this stage, avoid porn, masturbation, hot and dry temperament foods like spicy food, meat, eggs, tea, coffee. Focus on cold and wet temperament foods like cucumber, spinach, pumpkin, pomegranate, watermelon, mild yogurt. Expected outcome is the organs cool down, the natural temperament stabilizes, leakage slows, and eventually stops. Stage 2: Strength rebuilding. Increase semen production and storage. Objective: rebuild the body's ability to produce, store, and retain high quality semen after leakage has stopped. Prerequisite: leakage must already be under control and semen should be thicker. If leakage is still active, new semen will simply leak out again, increasing weakness. Now gradually add back hot and dry temperament and semen producing foods: eggs, meat, dairy, dry fruits. Expected outcome is increased semen quantity, stronger storage capacity, rising desire, and improved performance strength. This is the rebuilding phase. Stage 3: Hormonal activation, erections and signals become strong. Objective: activate the deeper sexual systems related to nerves, blood flow, and hormonal signals. Key parameters to activate during this stage are nerve strength, hormonal signaling, blood flow, erection stability. This is where erections become hard, long lasting, and performance ready. To support activation, continue the same stage 2 diet and add gentle oil massage, olive oil, or a quality alternative on genitals and surrounding areas, lower spine, full spine, head region. Expected outcome is healthy nerve signaling and balanced blood flow throughout the system. Fix the root first, then rebuild strength, then activate hormones. The sequence is everything. If you would like to explore this topic in more depth, I have prepared a spermatorrhea free PDF guide. It covers the key symptoms, root causes, and simple natural methods to help you manage the condition effectively. You can download it right now using the link in the description below.